Hey everyone, it's SoleilTech, and today I'm going to be showing you how I free up extra space on my Android phone when it gets a little clogged up and it starts slowing down. Well, I have a lot of applications on my phone, so when I'm running low on space, the first thing I'll usually do is try to see if there are any apps that I'm not using frequently that are just taking up space for no reason, and to do that I use an app called Unused Apps Remover, abbreviated as UAR here. I'll just open it up and show you what I do to get rid of apps that I don't use. Now you'll see that it's listing all of my applications. It's starting with the ones that I have never used, Metrosphere, and that one is mainly because it's an app icon pack, so I don't really need to open the actual application icon to use it. But I'm actually using that on my phone right now, so I'm going to skip that one. And then there's SwiftKey, which is my keyboard. So again, I don't really need to open that application, so I'll skip that one too. Open in browser, I used that a little over a week ago, but I don't really need it anymore, so I'll go ahead and delete it. Oops, wrong one. WordPress, I don't need anymore. I haven't used that in over 2 months, and I didn't know I'd use it in over 2 months. And very quickly, I'll show you this feature. I can also sort the applications by size, so I can see that the smallest application on my phone is Theme Manager, and I haven't used that in over 2 months, but I'm going to keep that around. And the largest one is Dots, which I haven't played in, again, over 2 months, but I might pick that up in the near future and play it again, so I'm going to keep that around as well. Next, I'll be moving over to Clean Master, the #1 cleaner app in the world. See, there's a little soccer ball there, I'm assuming because it's World Cup time still. And right when I open it, I can see that how much of my storage is taking up and how much of my random access and memory is being taken up on my phone, which makes the phone run slower if too many apps are running, and you can't do too many things on the phone at the same time when too many apps are open. So right now I can see I'm at 75% RAM as well. The first thing I usually do is go to junk files, and I can see an animation of it counting up all the gigabytes. I feel like it's going to be in the gigabytes this time. All the amount of junk files that it says I have on my phone. Okay, so my system cache pretty much always needs to be clean. I would suggest when you get this app checking that frequently, because the more you use your phone, the more cache built up, and you just end up with a bunch of that laying around, slowing your phone down. And then it will show you specific apps that are keeping your phone clogged up, like Instagram, Twitter. Those apps take up a lot, as well as the gallery and my launcher, my other launcher. I'm not using it right now, but I keep it around because I switch to it occasionally, and that's taking up space as well, as whether it's weather app and some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and clean junk. Kind of watch as that goes down. Watch everything getting cleaned out of my device. Alright, now that it's done cleaning out some of my storage, I am down to 72%, and I believe before I was at 76 or 78%, I can't remember. But now you also see that I'm down to 67% of my RAM being used up from 75, so that's an improvement. Then I'm just going to go over to Memory Boost, just to clear out as much as I can. I can see that there's 23.7 megabytes freeable from apps that are just running in the background. Now you notice these are all Samsung pre-installed apps, at least on my phone, that just run in the background. Aviate, obviously I have to keep because that's my launcher. Google Play Services, Lookout, that's my security application. Hangouts, some of these things I'm going to want to keep, and as you can see on some of them, they're asking me to keep them running because they're necessary. However, others maybe not so much because I'm not using them at the moment, like T-Mobile My Account, Voice Command, Music Hub. I'm not using those things right now, so I can go ahead and clear those up. And now it says your device was boosted. Now only 63% of my memory is being used up as opposed to 67% before that extra cleaning. And that is basically what I do to clean up my Android phone when it's running a bit slow, too many things are running in the background that I don't even know about, or they just have a bunch of apps installed months and months and months ago that I forget to uninstall, or forget that I'm not using them, or I think I'm going to use them and I don't get around to it, stuff like that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you use any other applications to help clean up your Android device or iPhone or Windows Phone or whatever you use, I would love to hear about what you use to keep your device fresh and running like pretty much almost new, like I tried to on my Galaxy S2. And the links to the apps I used, Unused Apps Remover and Clean Master, will be in the description if you want to try those out. I'll see you next time.